The UV DTF 300 from AM.CO.za is a remarkable printing machine that creates high-quality stickers for a huge variety of applications. The unit itself is solid and built to last. And it makes use of CMYK UV inks, including white and varnish, for high gloss finishes. Make sure to call sales for more information or to set up an appointment to come and see it for yourself in action.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.